Now, does anyone have any more questions? If not, let's move on to the next topic of discussion.
The world can be a stadium, and everybody's watching. Come on, we gotta live it up, 'cause this could be our moment. You could be the superstar, superstar. Yeah, you could be the superstar. You are the superstar, superstar. Walk right in, take the stage, this is a stadium. You could be the superstar, superstar. Yeah, you could be the superstar. You are a superstar, superstar. Oh, so walk right in, take the stage, this is a stadium.
Caught up in work and endless tasks? Looking to simplify your workflow and increase productivity? It's time to work smarter and unleash the power of AI. Virtuo's Jethro V1 is a unique combination of software and hardware, marking a revolutionary leap in merging AI technology with everyday devices. It's more than just a mouse. It's your shortcut to AI fluency. With no subscription fees and no account required, seamlessly integrating into your workflow and becoming your ultimate productivity partner. With 3 buttons to instantly launch VAI software, 1 click unlocks the AI chat box, voice typing, and a smart toolbar with powerful functions like translation, rewriting, and summarizing selected text. This helps you to save time, save clicks, and stay in the flow. With the AI button, you can instantly activate VAI. Powered by OpenAI's GPT, VAI allows you to ask any question, generate content templates, or even Excel sheets. When typing is too much of a hassle, Simply hold the AI button to activate voice typing. Instead of opening a chat window, you can speak directly to the AI, which will understand your requests and generate results in the chatbot. This eliminates the need to switch between windows, boosting productivity and streamlining your workflow. The PowerPoint creation tool revolutionizes presentations by crafting and saving you a ton of time. Just enter your topic, and VAI drafts an outline of your presentation, converting titles, subtitles, and content into a template that you can easily tailor to your specific needs. We understand the challenge of crafting the right prompt to get precise results from AI. That's why we developed the AI writing function. Now, a simple command is all it takes to generate documents, craft emails, compile reports, or write articles. Short on time, but overwhelmed with lengthy articles or documents, VAI summarization tool quickly condenses key messages into brief overviews, highlighting crucial points for a quick review. Additionally, the AI assistant includes a proofreading function, checking your spelling and grammar, and offering suggestions to improve your writing. Smart Toolbar is your ultimate AI partner for any task. With one click, it instantly translates text and offers powerful writing tools like rewriting, expanding, and shortening. Best of all, it works seamlessly in Word documents and PDF files. Let the AI mouse bridge language barriers for you anytime, anywhere. Merging the traditional tool with the power of innovation, Jethro V1 stands unparalleled. It's not merely a mouse, but it's actually an intelligent companion. Whether you're an office worker, content creator, or student, the Jethro V1 is your ultimate partner. Back our campaign today and embark on a journey to work smarter with an AI tool designed to revolutionize the way you work.